They got the where they can look out the window.
Yeah, it's cool. Ooh, that'll make it pretty easy.
I like the colors on that one back there. He's got the white and red mixed.
This is my favorite. I named him Old Blue.
You already fed him. We found another parrot shop.
They put one in GATLINBURG finally. Look at him. Oh, he's a big boy.
Did he come to see you?
Yeah.
We didn't say, but the one last night at the island, the little bird, he said you could throw it like a baseball and it would not go out that front door, so he just flies in that store.
Yeah, he would turn around and come right back. They can break a acorn.
Yeah. We watched him last year doing that.
Look at him.
Look, he's like, more people coming in to see me.
Yeah. Oh, that one.
As you can see, it's a busy spot. Everybody's in there. You can take your pictures with them on you.
Oh, okay, cool. We're going to have to try to get that done. You like that so much. I want him to sit right on your head.
We had 2 cockatiels, but the white dust I was so allergic to, so I had to get rid of them. Had to find a safe home for them.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Getting them for the pictures, I guess.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, he's
No. You know better. Come on. Come on. You know better.
Oh.
There you
Now,
go.
is that a he or she? Oh, look at that.
What? Yes. What?
He's like, it's too noisy
Now,
out here.
Is that a macaw?
Yeah, she's a blue and gold.
Oh, she. Okay, yeah. Now, how long do they live for?
95 to 100.
Woo, man.
I heard that.
These are the ones that have to be left in a wheel.
Yeah, that's what I was telling you that last night. I said, if you get one, put them in your wheel.
Oh, cute.
Yeah.
What?
Beautiful.
Now, is that
That
one,
doesn't hurt me.
does she talk a lot?
She squawks more.
Squats?
Than me.
Yeah.
She's still learning though.
And what would one like that set you back?
Depends on where you go to get them.
Yeah.
They can go anywhere from 1,400 to about 10 grand.
That's what I was going to say. With $5 grand, get one. What about
they,
here?
They are wonderful to have.
Yeah. And do you all adopt
like
birds
one.
here as well?
Huh?
Do you all adopt the birds here as well, or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We got some baby ones over there that are up for purchase, and we got over 800 birds up at the mountain.
Oh, yeah.
To where you can feed them, play with them, they land on you.
Oh.
They have babies up there that are also for adoption.
That's neat.
You had cockatoos?
We had cockatiels, yeah.
Boy,
This is
what's the matter?
Parrot Mountain.
Wow.
That's
Come on in.
beautiful. That's adorable.
I got others in there you can hold.
Come on, guys.
Well, thank you for bringing her out.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.